G'day everybody, it's me again. Got nothing to do today, there's no work on. So I'm going to pull the motor out this Commodore, get it running. So I think it still runs, it's just probably got a carby full of shit. First thing I'm going to do to make myself easy, or the job easy for myself, is I'm going to push this over up against the scrap bin, then flip it up on its side. Then I can disconnect everything underneath. I can cut the exhaust, disconnect the tail shaft, undo the transmission cross member, all that. And it'll be quite easy. Then I'll just be able to cut the bonnet off and undo the 200 mount bolts and pull it out. So let's see how I go. Warning, this video contains gratuitous use of forklifts, possibly the 9-inch, the oxy torch, and I bet you there's definitely going to be a rattle gun involved. So let's see how we go here. Alrighty, so let's see how good I can fuck this up. Ha! The bloody tips of the forks went straight through the floor. Alrighty, so while that's holding that up, I'll cut that cross member off and get the tail shaft off as well, I think, maybe. I'll see how we go here. Alright, it's time for a torching. car down again now. Time to work under the bonnet. This is going to be interesting. That's my Commodore back up the right way, slightly dented. I'll cut this bonnet off next. It's no fun for you guys to watch, so. Okay, so I've made a right mess out here. Radiator, bonnet, bit of exhaust that got stuck on, had to cut it off. Oh, there's half a tail shaft. Oh, my poor hammer. Leaked a bit of tranny fluid out when it came out, but not too fussed. It's all out, relatively undamaged. Oh, all the bits that are important anyway. We're going to pull that box out and I'll tear it down for you at one stage. I do know a little bit about autos, I do know how they work, so it'll be interesting. And this afternoon, after I take that to the scrapyard, of course, because I need some money, we'll get this running. It shouldn't take very long at all. Probably just need some fresh fuel down its guts. Bit of love. Carby looks like it's in good nick in one piece. Distributor's electronic in one piece. Coils there, so it shouldn't be too much of a difficulty at all. I know that this was running because they blew the diff doing burnouts, so it must have had some grunt left in it for it to be doing a burnout. Usually these old 6-cylinder Commodores won't spin the wheels to save their lives. Anyway, that's for later on. Thanks for watching. I'm going to just pick this up and shove it off in the corner at the moment, and like I said, get that on the truck, take it to the scrapyard, get it out of my hair. Scrap money. Thanks for watching. Yeah, there'll be more parts to this one later.